let's understand this problem. Here it is given that how many different ways can four married couples occupy seats around a table if the spouses sit opposite to each other. So there are four couples that we are making. So this one is H1W1, and next one is H2W2, and the third one is H3W3. Now the last one that we are having is H4W4. Now if I'm picking any of the couple that we are having here, I'm taking the value as W1 here, which means the H1 will be seated here. Now for the second woman that we are having, it has total number of 6 options that we can see, because if she is sitting in any of the place that we can see, he will sit right opposite to the husband, which means that for the second woman that we are having, it has 6 options. And if I'm choosing any of these, so I'm choosing this one as W2, this one as H2. Now for the third woman, we are having total number of 4 options. So for this one, we are writing it as equal to 4. So if I'm taking this one as like this, H3, and this one as W3, which means that for the fourth woman, we are having only 2 options. So for this one, we are having total number of options that is equal to 2. So we will write it as equal to 6 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 2. So that is equal to 48 ways. So the total number of ways that we can see, that is equal to 48 for arranging these spouses. Now the second condition that is given here, in which men and women are alternate, which means we are arranging first woman. So this one is W1, this one is W2, this one is W3, and this one is W4. Now and then we have to arrange all the men that is alternate to each other, which means that if I'm arranging all the women, which means we will write it as equal to 3 factorial, and then we are arranging all the men, we will write it as equal to 4 factorial. We can write the value of 3 factorial as equal to 6. We can write the value of 4 factorial as equal to 3 into 2 into 4. That can be written as 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. We will write it as equal to 24 into 6. And then we will write this one as 6 4s are 24. Then we will get the carry as 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, that is equal to 40. So there are total number of 144 ways that we can observe from here.